Hi everyone, Tony Viveris here at Casa Cigars and More. I'm sitting in my car having a cigar, and it's a beautiful Thursday morning, 10:46 a.m. and it's took the top down today. It's about 82 degrees, nice and sunny. Um, Having a cigar, and this is a Cuban Rounds Taste of Havana cigar. However, this cigar is made in Nicaragua. Nice, tasty cigar. It looks like a Cohiba, but definitely it's not a Cohiba. But it's still a good tasting cigar. And today's watch is my Federique Constant. It's a 40 millimeter. This is my dress watch, automatic, all black with the black crocodile leather band. One of my favorite watches that I have in my collection. And beautiful day, having a cigar in my car. If you have any comments about cigars or cigar brands, or watch brands, what your favorite watch is, or your favorite cigar that you might smoke, let me know. Thank you for watching my video. Until next time.